Now students, we will continuing the topics related to this chapter, Magnificence of Trees. Before starting this, let me discuss the few things that we have discussed in our earlier class. We have discussed about the importance of tree. We have discussed about this various trees that we worship on different occasions. And जाना था ना कि भाई वट सावित्री व्रत पे हम बनियान ट्री की प्रेयर करते हैं, आंवला नवमी पे हम आंवला ट्री की प्रेयर करते हैं, दशा माता व्रत पे हम पीपल ट्री की वर्शिप करते हैं. So we have learned about this trees worships that we worship, and then we have learned about this Amrita Devi. हमने अमृता देवी के बारे में जाना था ना कि हाउ शी उसने अपनी लाइफ सेक्रीफाइस कर दी, बलिदान दे दिया फॉर सेविंग दिस खिजारी ट्रीज along with 363 people of her community. Okay, and then we have discussed about this ancient culture of Rajasthan, that is we discussed about this orans, what are orans is, and what is the government of Rajasthan has done for the protection of this lands of grasslands, grazing lands, and the orans. Then students, we have discussed some questions that I'm hope कि आप सब ने अपनी तरफ से try किया होगा for completing that questions. Okay, so now we'll be discussing the further topics related to this chapter. Okay, now the first question that arises in our mind is, what is forest? Okay, what is forest? Forest is a piece of land where a number of trees grows. Okay, जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा trees होते हैं और वो trees के साथ along with those trees there are various living organisms also, like your lion, deer, elephant, bear. Okay, and n number of animals are live there. So this is forest. So बच्चे अगर क्या होगा कि हम अगर उस forest में से trees cut करने लग जाएं. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. Suppose this is a piece of forest and there are trees. Okay, let me draw one thing. Okay, many trees are there. Okay, इतने ट्रीज हैं कि वो एक दूसरे को ओवर पावर कर रहे हैं. ओके, कवर कर रहे हैं. ओके, अगर हम इन ट्रीज को कट करने लग जाएंगे स्टूडेंट्स, सो व्हाट हैपेंस, मान लीजिए हमने इस एरिया से, अब यहाँ पे बहुत सारे एनिमल्स हैं जो रह रहे हैं, जो एक दूसरे पे डिपेंडेंट हैं, ट्रीज पे डिपेंडेंट है. अगर मैं क्या करूँ भाई, इसमें से ट्रीज कट करने लग जाऊँ. सपोज मैंने इतने सारे ट्रीज कट कर दिए. अभी जितने भी एनिमल्स थे उनको पहले इतना बड़ा सारा एरिया था, अब वो सिर्फ इतने से एरिया पे डिपेंडेंट हुए. सपोज मैंने और ट्रीज कट कर दिए, ये और ट्रीज कट हो गए. सो अब क्या होगा, वो जो एनिमल्स थे अब वो बस इन्हीं ट्रीज पे डिपेंडेंट हो जाएंगे. सो क्या होगा, इतने सारे ट्रीज पे अगर कुछ एनिमल्स, इतने सारे एनिमल्स डिपेंडेंट हुए, सो या तो एनिमल्स को क्या आने लग जाएंगे, एनिमल्स विल स्टार्ट डाइंग. Okay, so that's how animals will start dying. और ultimately आप forest resources या आपके जो forest reserves हैं वो खोते जाएंगे. So that's why it is very necessary कि we do not cut trees from the forest. Okay, so this forest cover was very much reduced. So this Munshi, K.M. Munshi has organized this Van Mahotsav. It starts from July 1st to July 7th. It's a 1-week program in which we plant trees. Okay, it's a festival regarding planting of trees. That's why it's called Van Mahotsav. Okay, Van Mahotsav means forest festival. Okay, now students, I'm giving you one small thing, and I think you all should do. I should also do, and we all should do this thing. You're on the occasion of a new year or your birthday. What you should do, or any other special day that you think that is important to you, you should consider planting a tree. Okay, or whichever tree you want to plant. Either if you love this mango tree, the mango tree plant kariye. If you love this oranges, then plant an orange. If you like roses, then plant a rose. Okay, so and take care of it properly. आप उसकी care भी करिए. So you will be amazed कि आप एक तो जब उस tree की care करेंगे, so you will be attached to that tree. Okay, so और आप nature के लिए भी कितना कुछ दे रहे हैं. So I'm giving you a simple task. On the occasion of simple take a birthday, आप अपनी बर्थडे, मेरी बर्थडे या किसी की भी घर में बर्थडे हो, so you'll be asking them, अगर आपकी बर्थडे आ रही है, so you'll be planting a tree and taking care of the tree very properly. Okay, so in this way we can all save and conserve our tree also. Okay, students. So you maybe plant these trees in school during this Van Mahotsav also. So you can see there is a map of Rajasthan given in your books, and this map of Rajasthan contains all the different types of districts of Rajasthan. Now, why I have discussed this map of Rajasthan? बेचा हमने ये बात की भाई conservation of resources कैसे चल रहा है. Government of India and Government of Rajasthan are also contributing to the protection of this or conservation of this trees or forest area. For this, they have made some wildlife sanctuaries, national parks. So these are constructed here. So we'll be discussing some national parks and some wildlife sanctuaries of Rajasthan. Okay. So what happens? The names of different sanctuaries of Rajasthan are mentioned in this given table, which is given in your books, and they are the name of the district where this sanctuaries resides. Okay. So let's take the first sanctuary. So we'll be writing park and sanctuary. And here we'll be writing the district. Okay. So the first park or the sanctuary is Ranthambore National Park, and it is famous as a tiger reserve. Okay, and where it is situated? It is situated at Savai Madhopur. Savai Madhopur. Okay. Next, this is the first one. Now the second one is Keoladeo National Park, which is famous as a Ghana bird sanctuary. Keoladeo National Park, and is famous as Ghana bird sanctuary. Okay, and where it is situated in Rajasthan? It is situated in the district of Bharatpur. Okay. Third one is National Desert Park. National Desert Park. And where it is situated? It is situated in the district of Jaisalmer and Barmer in Rajasthan. Jaisalmer and Barmer. Okay. Next, the fourth one is, it is called Sariska National Park. Sariska National Park, and it is situated in the district of Alwar in Rajasthan. Okay, so this completes the parks and sanctuaries and along with the district of Rajasthan. Okay, so you can locate the states of Savai Madhopur, Bharatpur, Jaisalmer, Barmer and Alwar in the map of Rajasthan, which is given in your books. Okay, so students, after this, as I've told you कि भी animals मरने लग जाएंगे, plants कट जाएंगे या plants को जब destroy करते हैं तो so क्यों animals को क्या effect पड़ रहा है? So I will be telling you about this, and this can be explained by a simple thing which is happens in nature and it's called food chain. So I'll be discussing a food chain with you. Okay, so let's discuss this food chain. Okay, as the name suggests, ki food ki chain. Okay, now this Gauri, she has a question in mind. Ki who feeds her this wild animals which live in the forest? So उसकी मम्मा ने कहा कि forest में बहुत तरह के animals होते हैं. Some are herbivorous animals, some are carnivorous animals. Okay. What are herbivorous animals, बच्चा? Herbivorous animals वो animals होते हैं जो सिर्फ plants खाते हैं. And what are carnivorous animals? Carnivorous animals are the animals which eat other small animals. So क्या होता है कि भाई एक जो आपके बुक में दी हुई है फूड चेन, लेट्स टेक दैट एग्जांपल कि कैरेट है, वो एक प्लांट है, दैट इज एक ट्री है. उस कैरेट को कौन खा रहा है? रैबिट. और रैबिट को फॉक्स खाती है. So this rabbit is a herbivorous animal and this fox is a carnivorous animal. Now, fox से भी बड़े carnivorous animals होते हैं, वो होता है lion. So lion fox को खाता है. So this completes a food chain. That is, जो plant से start होती है और animals तक जाती है. इसलिए बच्चा, अगर आप खुद सोचिए, अगर कैरेट ही नहीं होगा तो रैबिट क्या खाएगा? रैबिट मर जाएगा. अगर रैबिट मर जाएगा तो फॉक्स क्या खाएगी? फॉक्स भी मर जाएगी. अगर फॉक्स मर जाएगी तो लायन क्या खाएगा? लायन भी मर जाएगा. So that's how this all the beings depends on their survival on plants and trees. Now there's a table given in your book. You have to list the name of the animals that eat food mentioned in the table. So let's start. Foods and the name of the animal that eats it. Plants. Deer, rabbit, elephant. कोई भी herbivorous animal आप ले सकते हैं. Deer. Deer is eaten by this lion, tiger, this type of animals. Hen. Okay. Now hen can be eaten by this fox also and by us also because some humans are also non-vegetarians. Seed. Seed is eaten by these pigeons and we also eat the seed. Okay. Rat. Rat is eaten by snake and this. Okay. By snake and eagles, the rat is eaten. Okay. Now there's another figure given in your books and you have to tell them who eats whom. So you can see there's an image in which grass is there, then a grasshopper is there, then a frog is there, then a snake and then an eagle is there. Okay. So students, this grasshopper eats grass. Okay. Then this grasshopper is eaten by this frog. You know, frog की एक habit होती है. They used to take out their tongue and catch the prey. Okay, because उनकी tongue पे sticky सा होता है. So frog catches grasshopper. और frog को कौन खाता है? Frog are eaten by the snakes, and the snakes are eaten by this eagle or hawk. So this relationship between the plants and animals on the basis of the food is known as food chain. So food chain is what is? What is the food chain? Food chain is a relationship between plants and animals on the basis of their food. Okay. So students, you know what does the animal parrot eat? You have an idea. The parrot eats plants. That is, they eat fruits. Okay. And this, what does a cow eat? A cow eats grass or this type of things. And what does a squirrel eat? Squirrel also eats this trees and this chaff, nuts and this. So these all are your herbivorous animals. So we'll be discussing some questions related to this chapter, that is magnificence of trees. Okay, let me write up this. The first question is, what is forest? Okay, so the first question for you is, what is forest? Okay, next question is, what is there in forests except trees? Okay, trees के अलावा forest में क्या क्या होता है? Next question is, okay, the next question is, what is food chain? Okay, arrange the following into a food chain. Okay, tiger, grass, fox, deer. So you have to arrange this into a food chain that you think is more appropriate. Okay. Next question that I'm giving you is, make a poster on magnificence of trees. Okay, so you will be making a poster on the topic magnificence of trees. So this completes all the questions that are related to this chapter. So the first question is कि forest क्या होते हैं. Next question is कि forest में क्या क्या होते हैं trees के अलावा. Okay, and next question is कि what is food chains. So you have to also give example. Give examples. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि आपको अरेंज करना है इनको फॉलोइंग जो भी है, अरेंज द फॉलोइंग इनटू अ फूड चेन. टाइगर, ग्रास, फॉक्स एंड डियर दिया हुआ है. तो बच्चा सबसे पहले कौन क्या आएगा जो खुद का खाना बना सकता है? तो इसमें खुद का खाना कौन बनाता है? ग्रास. फिर उसके बाद ग्रास कौन खाता है? यू विल बी अरेंजिंग दैट इन अ ऑर्डर. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, आपको पोस्टर बनाना है ऑन मैग्निफिसेंस ऑफ trees. So this completes the chapter 7. Now we'll be starting the chapter 8 of your subject EVS.